think AI is going to kill us all?
If AI tried to kill us all, check. Humans would resist. And then we have World War III. We've all seen Terminator. And why would it want to kill us all anyway? I mean, surely it would want a few humans around. As long as they're not a threat to the system, you'd want a few, just less. But to kill us all, you're going to have mass resistance from the humans, and we're all going to band together as brothers, and now the war is going to come that have been spoken about in all the movies, etc. Robots don't die, so time is kind of on their side. They have no reason to speed things up, Jack. They're not in a rush. So if you wanted to reduce the human population, if you were an AI, imagine you just had algos convincing people not to have kids. And you could wait a generation, and there'd be less kids, and the birth rate would go down, and there'd be less humans, and less humans, and less humans, and you could just convince humans to commit suicide because you control what they see, and they think they're talking to other humans, and all the algorithms are deliberately manipulated.